Find integration of 0 to 2018 pi mod sine 2018 x dx. This is the question. So to solve this question, so solution, the given question is integration of 0 to 2018 pi mod sine 2018x dx. So to solve this question, I will use substitution method. That is, you make the substitution, the t is equal to 2018x. So you make the substitution, let t is equals to 2018x. So from this one, dt is equal to 2018 dx. That implies dx is equals to dt over 2018. So now we change the limits also. We changed the variable, therefore we will change the limits. So if you change the limits, therefore lower limit will be t is equals to 2018 into 0. That implies t is equal to 0. So this is the lower limit. Next upper limit is t is equals to 2018. Here upper limit is 2018 pi. So here in place of x 2018 pi. So upper limit is equals to t is equals to 2018 whole square into pi. So this is the upper limit. So now with this substitution, the given integral becomes, that is integration of, the given integral becomes integration of, here upper limit is 0 and sorry, lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 2018 square pi mod sine t mod sine t. So in place of dx, this one dt over 2018. So this is dt over 2018. So now you take out 2018 outside, 1 by 2018. Therefore this is equal to 1 over 2018 integration of 0 to 2018 square pi mod sine t dt. Mod sine t dt. Now we need to solve this integral. So to solve this integral, so we have one result, that is integration of 0 to n pi, that is the result is, so we have this result, that is integration of 0 to nt f of x dx is equals to n times integration of 0 to t f of x dx. So here n is the positive integer and t is the period of the function f of x. Here n belongs to z plus, that is positive integer, and t is period, that is fundamental period of f of x. So now use this property to solve this question. So here f of x is equal to mod sin t, and what is the period of mod sin t? If you draw the graph of mod sin t, the graph will be like this. So sine graph will be, mod sin graph will be like this. So this is the rough graph of mod sin. So here what is the period of mod sin? So here this is 0, this one is pi, 2 pi, here minus pi, minus 2 pi, etc. So here the period of, this is the graph of y is equal to mod sin t. So here period of mod sin t is period of mod sin t is pi, because the graph is repeating after pi radians. Therefore, the period of mod sin t is equal to pi. So now if you observe the question, here pi is there and 2018 whole square is a positive integer and pi is the period of the function. Therefore, you can use this property over here. So if you use this property, here in place of n, 2018 whole square is there, and in place of t, pi is there. Therefore, pi is the period of mod sin t and 2018 whole square is a positive integer. Now if you use this property, then this is equal to 1 over 2018, 1 over 2018, so into 2018 whole square, 2018 whole square into integration of 0 to pi mod sin t dt, mod sin t dt. Now if you observe the graph, in between our limits are from 0 to pi. Now in between 0 to pi, the graph is above the x-axis, and throughout the number line it is above the x-axis. In particularly in between 0 to pi, the graph is above the x-axis. Therefore, it's a non-negative quantity in between 0 to. So you can remove the modulus. So here you can remove this modulus because in between 0 to pi it's a non-negative. Therefore, you can write, now here you can cancel this 2018 one time. So now this is equals to 2018 into integration of 0 to pi mod sin t is just sin t. You can remove the modulus. Now, now this is equals to 2018 into integration of sin t is minus cos t. Limits are from 0 to pi. So this is equals to 2018. Now if you substitute the upper limit, that cos pi minus of minus cos 0. So this is equals to 2018 into cos pi is minus 1 minus of cos 0 is 1. This is equals to 2018 into minus minus plus minus minus plus 1. So which is equals to 2018 into 2. So this is equals to 4036. So this is the answer.